In this video, we are going to fix the hosted network couldn't be started issue. Some users who upgraded from a previous version of Windows to Windows 10 are having issues in setting up the Wi-Fi hotspot. After setting up the network via command prompt, they see the following error, which is just shown on the screen, that the hosted network couldn't be started. The group or resource is not in the correct state to perform the requested operation. So this error suggests Microsoft hosted network virtual adapter isn't enabled, but it's actually missing from Windows Device Manager. So this issue is widely caused by a faulty or incompatible Wi-Fi driver. So let's go ahead and see what methods do we have to resolve this issue. Our first method is to rolling a driver back to its previous version. We'll press Windows and X key, which will bring up the context menu or the start menu item. We'll press Windows X key to bring up the start menu, and then we'll select Device Manager. Alternatively, we can press Windows and R key, which will bring up Run command. Here we can type dev mgmt.msc, which is device management. So this will bring up the device manager window. So once we are here, we will expand network drivers, and from here we need to double click on Wi-Fi adapter. So you can check for your computer which driver do you have. On my computer I have this Qualcomm Actros driver. Let's double click on this one and then go to driver tab. In this tab you will see Rollback Drivers button. So we are going to move forward with Rollback Driver button. Let's click on this one. This will give you a prompt that if you are sure to roll back the previously installed driver software, click on yes so that it can roll back previous driver. Once it is done, reboot your computer and try to set up on hotspot again and see if your issue gets resolved. Our next method is to update Wi-Fi drivers. If your rollback driver button is grayed out, it obviously means that you can't roll back your driver. So if you are not able to roll back driver, you can update your Wi-Fi drivers. So let's follow the same steps. Press Windows and R key, type dev mgmt.msc. In driver manager, device manager window, right click on your Wi-Fi drivers and click on update driver software. Select to search automatically for updated driver software and wait for Windows to install any drivers if it can find a latest one. Now if it doesn't find any latest driver, the next thing that we can do is to search for our Wi-Fi driver. So from device management we see we know that we have Qualcomm Actros driver. So we do a search for it. Okay, so on this search we got to know that the first link is from HP. So the laptop being used for this video is of HP. Let's go to the first link. Let's go to the first link and download our drivers from here, and you can check for later links, whichever provides the latest driver. Download the driver and install that. Once you have installed the driver and restarted your computer, see if that works for you. Alright, so our third method is to change our Wi-Fi card settings. Again, let's press Windows and R key, type devmgmt.msc. This will bring up device manager. In device manager, locate your wireless adapter card and double click on it. In properties, go to advanced. In advanced tab, select HT mode and then set the value to enable. So you should be able to find an HT mode here, and select that to enable. If you're able to locate the HT mode and you were able to enable its value, go back to command prompt and run your netsh wline command again and see if that works for you. Before that, you can also try to run cmd and then try to run netsh space wlan space show drivers. Let's put here, okay, and here see if you have this hosted network supported as value of yes. If it is yes, then your problem is fixed. I hope you'll find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.